How you doing? This is Sam from Custom Homes Building and Remodeling, and this is the types of contractors that are used on a renovation project. All right, so the first type of contractor that's going to be used on a renovation project, whether it's probably a large scale, I'm going to stay on the large scale renovation project, is going to be a general contractor. His permit is going to be considered the master permit. He's going to be responsible for all the trades that come in and out of that project and allows him to be successful in finishing up that project. Different contractors have their businesses set up in different ways. Some contractors are completely sub out every aspect of the project. Some contractors have labor in-house to handle some of the carpentry and the specialization and stuff like that. It really depends on that general contractor. The next type of contractor that's used in most general renovations is going to be your plumbing contractor. So the plumbing contractor is important. He's going to run all of the hot cold water lines. He's going to run all of the drainage, depending on if it's a kitchen, it's a bathroom. If you're removing cast iron and he's rerouting and he's removing all of that plumbing out of there, he's going to be very important. He also can run your drains all the way to the street and connect to the city sewer. So that's the plumbing contractor in your renovation project. The next type of contractor that's used in your renovation project is going to be your electrician. All right, so he's going to handle all of the electrical aspects of the project. If he's installing hi-hats, if he's running new wires, if you're replacing your interior panel or your exterior panel, depending on the size of the renovation project, he's going to handle all of those. Another important aspect is installing GFI outlets in the kitchens and the baths for safety reasons. So your electrical contractor is going to be the one that's going to handle all of those aspects. The next type of contractor that's going to be used in your renovation project is going to be your HVAC. They also use the term mechanical. HVAC is going to handle all of your AC ductwork, all your AC connections, all your drops into your bedrooms. The mechanical aspect is going to be any venting that goes to the outside of the home. So whether it's going through the roof or it's going through the outside for laundry vents or anything like that, the mechanical is going to handle that. All right, so those are the main four contractors that are going to be used on your renovation project. There's a few more that get used. They don't necessarily need to be licensed. Painting contractor is going to be one of them. That's going to handle all of the paint aspects of your project. Your carpenter, he's going to handle all of the framing. He's going to handle all of the framing, installing doors, etc. The drywall contractor, he typically actually handles framing and drywall finishing. There's a tile contractor as well. He's going to lay all of the flooring, all of the wall tile, all of the flooring throughout. So those are the main contractors you should expect on your renovation project. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I hope to continue to bring you good content like this.